working on the Bernina 880 and going through all the functions, including a pinpoint placement. If you've ever wanted to hoop something crooked and get something in there just perfect, you can do it on this machine. It's actually really easy. But in this video, we want to really focus on what and how to zoom in on a design. And this is really important when we are doing pinpoint placement, that we can actually see where everything is going to stitch. We can get really close to and even right on top of the exact stitch that we need to zoom in on. So as we take a look here, we can actually find, is that stitch going to actually stitch where I think it is on the fabric? You can zoom in. You can use a little hand here and kind of move this viewing box as it needs to get closer or closer to one of the stitches. So you can really see where you're actually zoomed in on. So just note, at any given time, you can see the entire design, or you can be totally zoomed in on your exact stitch.